Okay, so hi everyone. Now we'll learn how to reshape our data. Okay, reshaping is basically converting it from one shape to another shape. Okay, means that's the basic meaning of reshaping, but we'll understand the various ways to reshape an array, numpy array. Reshaping a numpy array. Okay, so first let's see how we can convert a 1D numpy array to a 2D numpy array. Okay, because I've told you that you can only create a 1D numpy array using the arrange function. Okay, so let's say I do a equals to np dot range and let's say 6. Okay, so if I print a, it is 0 to 5. Okay, if I do a dot shape, as it's 1D, it will have only one dimension of size 6. Okay, suppose I want to convert this to a 2D. Okay, now imagine, can I do any size of 2D? No. The basic rule is that the number of elements should match in the given 1D and the required 2D. So in how many ways can I get 6 elements in a 2D? 1 row, 6 columns, 6 row, 1 columns, 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. Okay, so these are the only possible ways you can reshape a 1D to a 2D. Okay, so we'll do B equals to A dot reshape, A dot reshape and the size 2 comma 3. So when I print B, it is reshaped to 2 cross 3 numpy array, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so see, it is smart enough to understand how to break it. So it will take this as one row, this as another row. Okay, you can also do B equals to A dot reshape 3 comma 2. Okay, and if you now print B, it will be a 3 cross 2 numpy array. Okay, similarly you can convert a 2D to a 3D. The only rule that you have to keep in mind is that the number of elements should match. For example, if I say C equals to A dot reshape 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2 will have how many elements? 8, and I have 6 elements in A. So if I try to do this, I will get an error. Cannot reshape array of size 6 into shape 4 cross 2. So obvious, right? So this is the only rule that you have to keep in mind. And remember, whenever you reshape, the original array remains intact. So A is still intact. Okay, it is actually creating a copy and storing in B. Okay, similarly you can do 2D to 3D. So if I print similarly you can do 1D to 2D and 2D to 3D. Okay, so if I print B, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements. Okay, so let's do 2 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, so I will simply do, okay, C equals to B dot reshape 2 comma 2 comma 2 and print C. Okay, as you can see, cannot reshape a array of size 6 into shape 2 cross 2 cross 2. Why? Because 2 cross 2 cross 2 will have 2 power 3 8 elements. Okay, so you can actually convert this to a 3 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, and this is the case. So 3 means there are 3 2D numpy arrays, each of size 2 cross 1. Each of size 2 cross 1, there are 3 numpy arrays. Okay, so this is the highest dimension, this is the lowest dimension. But as I told you that we don't have to worry about 3D at this stage. Okay, so we can basically stick to 1D to 2D conversion. Okay, so I hope that this was useful. I will see you in the next lecture.